Shakira. Shakira. Hi, hi, hi. We are live. Yes, I guess we are live. Yes, I received a notification. Let me open the chat window here quickly. We are here. What's the title right there? Okay, so as you see, we are trying to add code quickly. Right. So what I will do usually now, like anyways, people are not free. I I got a recommendation from the users like they're not free at 4:30. Some get a better audience when you guys has time. So what I thought is every 2 3 day I will do a live stream. I around this time only 9 will solve all the AtCoder contest, previous AtCoder contest, like most probably two, at least two contests we are behind, right? Because we are not doing daily. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Yeah, everything is cool. Great. Let's go. So what we are doing is see, we are not doing daily live stream, right? I'm not doing daily live stream, so I'll try to solve all the past weekly content that we missed. I guess I did a live stream of this, right? Let me quickly check. Oh no. So from 81 we need to start. There's this is a master, super master. At Coder Weekly, oh, they have not introduced other contests. Okay, they have not introduced At Coder Weekly here. At Coder regular, no, I don't see any At Coder Weekly. Anyways, so I think I did live stream of AtCoder this 80, right? Yeah. So from 81, let's try 81. Hopefully we'll get a better short problem statements. First question. Takashi works as a flow staff member at the restaurant. Today he received exactly one dish order from each of the N customers. Okay. Today he received exactly one dish order for each of N customers. The dish that the ith customer actually order is TI. Okay. But the dish named the Takashi Relay on the kitchen was SI. Since there may have since there may have been mishiring or miscommunication, Takashi decided to verify the order. Find the number of customers whose actual order is TI and relay order is SI different. The number of customers whose order was incorrect computed. Ah, okay. Ramen, sushi, and sushi. So this is one and this is two. Okay, okay. It's just a simple string matching. Like, I know this is nothing, but yeah, I'm trying. I will try in increasing order of difficulty. I'll not waste on some the hard problems because I need to learn the concept first to attempt the hard question. What we can do is once we have a audience, we'll discuss and learn and we'll solve that question. That's how we can grow, right? So now what we have to do, we have an order. C in hands, right? Let's say answer variable. Now we'll iterate through all the orders. So we'll receive two strings, S and T. C in S and T. Okay. If S is not equal to, what we'll do here is, and I want to write a better code. S is not equal to T. This is what it is. It doesn't require if, right? This serves the purpose. Yeah, pass, right? Then we submit. Then we'll move to the next question. It's just a bomb of question. There's no logic. My brain still sleeping. Nothing. We just put what they ask. And we got accepted, I guess. Yeah, mostly we'll get accepted here. Yeah, we get accepted, right? Let's move to the second question then. Yeah, here we have big statement now. Now brain has to work here. Question name is Monster Slaying. Okay. Takash is playing a RPG game. This is video game, right? RPG. Let's search what is RPG games. It's a video game, I think. A role playing video game. Okay. Argent. Oh, I haven't played such game. Is it? I think I haven't played this kind of Super Mario I played. The fuck? How bored I am, I think. Role playing video game. What are this? We don't need to do any kind of research, that's fine. The guy is playing the role, playing video game on a game stage, and monsters are lined up, one, two, and from left to right. Monster I has a strength DI, and defeating if we get a VI gold. If we defeat that monster, we get a VI gold. That's good. Takashi start with attack power 0 and gold 0. Okay. When Takashi defeat a monster, we absorb the monster power, increases attack power. Below we okay, increases attack power. Okay. Below we denotes Takashi's current attack power has H. Okay. Takashi visits the monster in the following order from one, visiting each monster exactly once. Okay. Lifo, last in first out. Okay. Additionally, Takashi has an empty stack called postpone stack. The element, okay, that's fine. It's called a top element. Okay. When Takashi visits IIT monster, he follow the rules. If DI is greater than his attack power isn't sufficient, so he postponed that monster. Okay. The postponed monster is added to the top of the postponed stack. In this case, the postponed resolution process is not performed. Okay. If Di is less than equal to H, he defeat the monster. Upon defeating, he will receive VI gold and his attack power increased by the monster strength. Okay, immediately after defeating the monster, the following uh, postpone resolution process is performed. Okay, if you defeat monster, then this process will perform. I guess we'll pop out the monster from the stack, some kind of. Let's see what is it. Let's not assume anything. Postpone resolution process. Repeat the following process until the termination condition is met. If postpone stack is empty, terminate the process. Okay. Check the strength of the monster on the top of the stack. If that strength is H or less, remove that monster from the stack and defeat it. Upon defeating, receive a reward and increase the attacking power by monster stack, just as usual. And then return to step one. Okay. If the strength is terminate the process. Okay. Note the postpone resolution process only the top stack only the top of the stack is even checked. When the top monster is defeated, remove the monster that below the new top is the next to check. Element in the middle shall never skip over or check. Okay, that's fine. After visiting all and monster in order performing the above rule, final post is performed. One final post resolution process is performed. Okay, okay. After this entire sequence operation is completed, if any monster remains there treated as undefeated, no reward is obtained. Determine the total goal Takashi. So see, here we have to follow the process they have described. That's it. There's no logical thinking required. So let's just code it out. What we'll do is whenever we don't require any logical thinking, we'll try to write a better industry level code. Everything is documented. Will not document it yet. We'll just write a quality code. That's it. We have n monster. Okay. And for each monster, we have its strength and reward. We can say. Let's say D and say reward say R. So for each monster, we'll take the input in D. Let's take variable name we have D of I. Okay, okay. We'll direct take C in D of I. Okay, let's do like this. R of I. Nice, right? I'll create a stack. We need a pair here in ST stack. Okay. So what we'll do is I int as equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, cool. What we'll do here, current strength, let's say current power is equal to 0 and gold is equal to 0. Okay. If if you just need to follow the procedure. What we'll do here is if power is greater than equal to d of I, that means this monster is defeated, right? Firstly, we'll check the stack, right? No, no. Firstly, we'll do this, then we'll do po- postpone resolution process, right? So firstly, we have to check this. Yeah. If d of I, p of I greater than, then what we'll do is p plus is equal to d of I, then g plus is equal to r of I. Okay. Else, what we'll do here is this. Okay, got it. If we defeated that monster, then only we'll do post-mortem, like postpone stack resolution process. So here we'll have to check while is not empty and n st dot top is less than equal to p. Then what we'll do is okay dot first. Then what we'll do is p plus is equal to st dot top dot first. G plus is equal to st dot top dot second st dot pop. Yeah, we'll do this until we hit a monster with a greater power, defense power. Else what do st dot insert or push. Yeah, push. St dot push defeat defense power and the reward. Yes, and we'll simply print the gold we received. And yeah, we get a nice pass. All tests is pass, right? We'll submit this and move to second question. Let's move to second question. No, no, let's move to third question. Two questions are done. Hmm. Should get accepted, right? Yes. Let's move to third question. Spread of rumor. Nice. Title I like it. Am I audible, right? Wait, let me check two things. Yeah, everything is cool. Great. I think people are relaxing now, right? Instead of in the evening, I usually do the people joining the stream. That's fine. So yeah, spread of rumors. Okay. The question is there are n people, number from 1 to n. There are total m one-way communication channel among the people. The ith communication channel allow person UI to send message. So it's a one directional graph, we can say. Initially, at the starting of day zero, only person has knows a certain rumor. The spread of rumor proceeds day by day according to the following rule. Each person who knows the rumor at the day D simultaneously send the rumor through all communication channels originated from that person. The same rumor arrived at the start of day D plus one, okay? And the recipient become aware of the rumor for 3K, okay? A person who newly learned the rumor at the start of the day D plus one can only be actually send the rumor for day D plus one onward, okay? Once a person learn the rumor, they remain aware of it permanently, okay? Find the day D where all people first become aware of rumor. All people first become aware of rumor. That is, output the smallest d such that at the start of d, all people know the rumor of for the first time. If all people already know the rumor, the d is equal to zero, output zero. That's fine. When n is equal to one, yeah, got it. So actually, see what they're trying to say is there is some kind of graph. Let's say this is the one of the graph, and this is the graph. So they just want to know how many visit you need. Like it will spread like this one, this way. So for example, this test case, so it required one, right? One. The longest path, I mean, for the entire graph, what is the longest path? And reach all people matter how many output minus one. Okay. And if it is disconnected, so we are sure, right? We just need to visit all like it should be a one connected component. Then only it's possible to spread the rumor among all the peoples, right? If it is this is the disconnected graph, say this is one of the example. So in this case, we simply say no, right? What we'll do in this example, if this is not the case, say if this is not present here, so what will be the answer of this test case is one one. Then this is two, this is two, this is two, right? Then this is three, this is three, this is four, this is four, and this is five. So will we get to five as our answer? You get it? Yeah, this is what we want. So we want actually the height of tree, we can say. Yes. So this is just a BFS. We can traverse in BFS fashion. Yeah, let's code it out. A simple BFS. See, this is why I love AtCoder, right? You will get a standard question. Your concept will get cleared. You solve. It seems easy, right? But it make your fundamentals very clear. So what we'll do here is we'll have N, M, S, U. Okay. So first line is N, M, and S. The starting point where the rumor will start spreading. N, M, and the connection, 1D connection. N, M, and S. Okay. Uh, okay. Now we have to create a adjacency list. Okay. Zero less than n edges we know, right? Let's say U, V. We take the input U, V. Now we'll push adjacency list of U dot push back V. Okay. That's it. So now what we'll do here is we'll create a vector and a q int, okay, and q. And initial point is q dot push s. And we'll do a simple BFS here while q is not empty. Actually, what we'll do is we want to find the level. How many level our graph has. It can be tree, right? It should not a graph or what? It can be graph. Right, right. Can be graph, right? Uh, what if it has a cycle? Then we are not visiting. If it is, that's fine. So we need some kind of visit vector also tell you the which node is already visited. Okay. So we will mark visit of S. It's actually n plus one. Okay. Is equal to one. Okay. What we'll do is we'll find out the q dot current size. And this is our first level, right? And let me create the answer. Uh, answer plus plus. What we'll do here is, see, let me make you visualize. This is our start point. It can be like this. It can be a tree. It can be like this also. Oh, wait a minute. I get a call here. Oh, I'm not audible, right?
Hello,
Hello, hello, hello.
hello,
Yeah, now I'm audible. Hello, hello, hello.
hello.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Sushi. Now I'm audible. Hello, hello,
Sorry,
hello.
sorry. I pronounced correctly, right?
Thanks,
Yeah,
Sushi. Now I'm audible.
it's Subi.
Yeah, sorry. Hello, hello,
Sorry,
hello.
sorry. I pronounced correctly, right?
Thanks,
Yeah,
Sushi. Okay, so where we are? So we want, see, this is the first level, I can say. Like, I mean, I will order in number of nodes. I'm calling level as the how many number of nodes between two endpoints, two nodes. So this is what, so it's a simple BFS thing. What I'll do is I less than size I plus plus. Now I will get U. Uh, what I'll do, I will get the top element. Let's say that is V. V is the child of U. Child of this is actually U. Uh, am I audible, right? Yeah, I guess I'm audible. Okay. So we get U. U is just U dot front and pop out from the front. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll iterate through all its children. So that is we call as V exists as a list of U. Okay. Now, what we'll do here is we check if it is not visited, then only we visit this. That means we'll do visit of u is 1 and q dot push b. Yeah, this is what we'll do here. And yeah, now we'll check one thing. Does everyone visited every node? We want our rumor should spread entirely, right? The all the n people. So that means every people should will check. Does everyone is visited? Like all the people should visit it, right? If it is not visited, that means we are not successful spread our few rumors to everyone, right? What we'll do is you simply print -1. That's it. That means rumor is not spread over the entire population. Yeah. Now we have checked. Now we are sure that rumor is spread to our entire population. What we'll do is simply print our answer. I hope this is the solution. Yeah, we are getting one extra because it start with 0. So let me do -1 here. See, we're getting accepted, right? So what we did is we just check the firstly does our graph is disconnected or not. It can be anything. Let's say this is our graph. If it is disconnected, then this for loop will handle, right? It will tell you which node is not visited. If a single node is also not visited, that means see our rumor will start spreading from this point. So we able to visit all these nodes, right? We are able to visit all this node. We are unable to visit this node. So visit array tell us, yeah, this is not visited, and we simply print -1. And if we're able to visit, what we are doing is we are starting from here. This we are doing. We are storing in our queue. Basically, we are following BFS here. So our start pointer is this. That is, we are storing queue, right? So what I did is, what are the number of element currently queue present? It means at the same level. How many elements are present at the same level? So let's say currently there is one. So as that we have one. I did one plus plus. That means I am sure that why we are getting one extra answer that I'm trying to give the conclusion why we are getting why we did -1 here. See. So I'm doing upfront +1, right? Before ever reaching here, I'm doing +1. See, I'm simply doing +1 here. So I'm assuming there is a node from me. I'm assuming there are my children present there. What I'm doing +1 here. So my answer is 1. So I'm here, right? So this is 1. Now and I'm this is node is the first time I'm visiting this node, so I'm adding into my queue. This is how our usual BFS work, right? So what I'm doing is for this U, I'm getting its children. I'm getting its children from the adjacency list. That means adjacency list give me this, right? And it is also not visited, so I will insert into my queue, right? And that's it. We have one parent only. So now in my queue, this what I am doing here is I'm again checking the size. Size is 1 now. I'm again doing +1 1. The answer become 2, right? And what that means this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. So this is the way. And why we're getting +1? So for that I have a solid reason here because see whenever if I am at this, I'm again doing +1, right? But that suggests because I'm doing +1 from every node, that means for the leaf node also I'm doing +1. So I'm assuming there is a children, but it is a leaf node that doesn't have a children. So we haven't this follow won't work here. Then and anyhow our queue become empty here. So queue become empty and we come out from this loop. So that's why we are doing -1 for the leaf because we did one plus here, right? So yeah, that is what simple reasoning. It's not that difficult to understand. Good. So we are done with A, B, and C. Three questions. It was pretty easier side, I can say. It's not, maybe because I did lots of graph traversal questions. So this is very static for me. Static English, I can say a very usual. You can. I didn't have a perfect word for this to put it out, but that's fine. And this sense here, I think I need to put my brain to make it work. And if we did this question, then I'm very happy with this one test. So the question is organizing the bookshelf. Pretty good problem statement, like problem heading, that's fine. Takashi has n books arranged in a row from left to right in his bookshelf. The ith book from the left has AI pages, and to remove this book from the bookshelf and have it taken by a used bookshelf. Okay, what did you mean? The ith book from the left has AI pages, and to remove this book from the bookshelf and have it taken by used bookstore. Wait. It's a confusing English here. And to remove this book from the bookshelf and have it taken by a used bookshelf. Okay. Takashi must pay a handling fee of CI. That's fine. No fee is charged for books that remain on the bookshelf. Okay. If we take that book, then we have to pay CI fees. That is what they are trying to say. To improve the appearance of this bookshelf, Takashi want to remove some books so that the page count of the remaining bookshelf are strictly monotonely increasing from left to right. Okay. So Takashi want to make an arrangement of book in such a way that the page count should be increasing order. Right, that's fine. That is, looking at the remaining books from left to right for two adjacent books, the page count of the left book must be strictly less than the page count of the right book. Okay. Note that since books are only removed and not rearranged. Okay, we can remove. We can't just rearrange the books. We can remove. So see, this gives me a glimpse of DP, right? So we have a choice. Do we remove this book or will not remove this book, right? So start building the logic in back of your mind. This is how I do. I don't know what's the perfect way because still I'm learning. Okay, so we have choice. Or if whenever we have choice and a low constraint, my mind always start thinking about DP. I don't know why. The relative order of the book remains the same as the original order. Okay, the number of books removed should be from 0 to n. A strictly monotonely increasing condition is 0 or 1 book remain. Okay. Find the minimum total handling fee of the removed book when chosen which book to remove so that the page count of the so we need to make a we want see the problem statement boiled down to we want to make books to look an increasing page order, and if we remove some books we have to pay the fee CI cost. So yeah, so it's a DP question for sure. We have to solve this question. It's since it's look like a standard DP question to me. Let's see if I'm able to code it out. We have books and we have this. What we'll do here is we'll store a previous. A DP of I is just the cost from 0 to I. That's it. So we need a DP here. What we have to take the input, the page count, and the cost to remove that book, right? This is a nice DP problem. A standard, a framed DP question, right? If I'm able to solve, then yeah, we have we have good command in DP. Then you can say what we'll do is vector of int a of n c of n take the input Okay, cool, right? Yeah. And we want the minimum or answer should be minimum, right? So we initialize our DP with the maximum. That's what we can do. DP vector of int DP of n plus 1, comma vector of int 2, comma 1 is 18. That's fine. It's a pretty huge number. That's fine. So what we'll do here is, yeah. So we have to make, if we remove first book, if we remove, I just want to initialize the DP of 0. That means we are not removing. It should be 0. And DP of 1, DP of 0, comma 1, that means we are removing. It should be, it required me a cost of this. Then 0 or 1 book remain. Okay, the strict. Okay. If there is a 1 book, then this should be always 0. They are a strictly monotonically increasing condition if it is considered satisfying when 0 or 1 book remain. If there is 0 book, or if there is 1 book, so the cost is, it's, we can consider it's increasing system. Increasing. Okay, that's fine. My bird's battery is down. It's okay. Open the chat window once again. Yeah, it's fine, right? Or what we can do is, let's make it this. Yeah, n plus 1. We have, so what we'll do is we'll iterate through I is equal to 1 or 0. Let me do 0 as less than n I plus plus. Yeah. So what we have to, now we have to fill. Uh, Hi Thor, hi. How are you? Hmm. So we have two choice, right? Let me do one thing. We'll do recursively. What we'll do is we go recursively, and let's put -1 here. Let's not think much about tabular right now. We want see out solve. We're starting from 0. We'll pass our DP. That's what, and this is -1. That's fine. And we'll pass A, then we'll pass C. Okay. And we have to create a solve function. It's an index. Then we have a DP. Hi Thor, how are you? Then we have A and C. I'm too lazy to type. That's why I always do copy paste. C, right? Yeah. So what we do here is we want a minimum cost, right? Minimum total cost. Yeah. So if index is greater than n, greater than equal to n, then we'll return a big number. Return 180. Let me change my camera position a bit here. It is fine, right? Yeah, it's look good. Good, that's great. Where is my subscriber count? Yay, I got my first subscriber, new subscriber here today. It's a Thor, right? So yeah, and what's n is? N is just the size. A. Cool. Now what we'll check here is if DP of index. Wait, I have 2D DP, right? Then what's the second? Okay, it is taken or not taken, which I am master student. I am the final year master student from IIIT Delhi. I think my buds got disconnected now. No, no, I'm audible, right? Do I audible? What's the second index? What's the second dimension? Mm, DP of index. I don't even need 2D DP then, right? Thanks, Thor. I think I don't even need a 2D DP then. Yeah, I don't even need 2D DP. Just uh, and say -1. And here also just say okay. If DP of index is not equal to -1, then return DP of index. Right? Now we have two choice. Remove, not remove. And we want previous also. Okay. We want previous also. Like what is our previous? Yeah, so we need to DDP actually. We need to keep track of previous also. And that is also, it can be then n square, right? N square would work here. 10 to the power 3 into 2. Yeah, it will work here, I guess. Vector of int n plus 1 comma -1 here. And then I need to use 2 DDP. Fuck, what is going on? Yeah, why? Now it is fine. Cool. So I need to pass the previous. Previous is just -1. Ah, so wait, let me do this. Let me make it. This is fine, right? And let me take input like this. It will handle the case. C in A of I, C in C of I. Cool, cool, cool. Previous is 0. Starting with 1. Previous is 0. And let me declare here previous. Cool. dp of I comma previous is -1, not equal to -1, then return previous. Okay, cool. So we have to check if uh, current, right? And previous. If A of index is less than A of previous, then we definitely need to remove this element. Right? Let's say answer is equal to maximum. So we definitely remove this, then answer is minimum of answer, comma, solve, index +1, then dp, then A, then C, then previous become this index, right? And because we are removing this, that means we have to pay C of index cost also, right? Else. Now, A of I is greater than, actually it should be less than equal to. So definitely. Hi Rich, how are you? Now, here we have A of index is strictly greater than Yeah, previous. Now we have two choice. We can remove or we can't remove, right? So we'll have two answers here. Answer one is equal. Uh, Answer one is just like the answer is equal to minimum of answer comma. We can remove actually this, or we simply don't remove this, right? Whichever is the minimum. Yeah. Then we'll return. I'm good. I'm good. Thanks. Actually, I did some adjustment in my stream. What I will do here is now I will not do 4:30 streams. Every 2 to 3 day I will do a stream at night and we'll solve all the weekly contests in one go. It can be 2 hour stream, right? That is better, right? Instead of doing daily, because trophy. I called you throw. That's fine, right, bro? I don't know. She or he. For. I consider as a he. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's right. So dp of index from previous is equal to answer. And here what we'll do is we print the minimum of what we'll print here. It's a today dp, right? No, no, we just print see out. This is the solution, right? This will ensure increasing order of the pages and the minimum cost. I hope so. Fuck, no, no, this is not correct then. If this is greater than index, this is greater than index, then we'll return 0. No, this is not. What will return here? Okay, wait, let me think first. Uh, but still, then I'm getting zeros because we are taking minimum, right? What it should be. Wait, let me print the DP, then debug the DP. And we fucked it up, I guess. Yeah. What the issue here is, what's the issue then? Start with 1 and previous is 0. Okay. We check. Yeah. If A of I is less than equal to, then we definitely need to remove this guy, right? Okay. Otherwise, we can remove this or we don't remove this. Ah, ha, ha, got it. See, if we remove this guy, the index is this. If we don't remove this guy, the previous remains previous. Okay. But I'm getting 0, 0, 0. Why? It shouldn't, right? कहाँ से आया मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? This is not giving me a good result. Why I am getting this? If index is greater than equal to if index is greater than n, then do this. Why is polar very deep? Why is polar very deep? Why segmentation fault? I declared n plus one everywhere. Wait a minute. Why segmentation? Okay, okay, okay. I should declare two then. Yeah, got it. Now this is fine. Still segmentation error. What's the issue now? No, no, something is messed up. N is equal to size of A. Index is greater than that means we want minimum, right? We want answer should be minimum, but if we reach at the end, that means it should be zero. But I'm getting fucking segmentation error here. Index, when I have choice here, and here I don't have choice. कहाँ जाऊंगा मैं खबर कुछ. Do you guys know where the fucking mistake is? That would be equal to that is working. At least it's not giving segmentation, right? Let me think, let me think. Oh, I have taken the inputs, right? Let me print the input. A debug C. Yeah, input is correct, right? Input is correct. Okay, input is correct. And I need to start from index 1 and my previous is 0. Okay. Hey, what we can do here is, yeah, we can do some better coding. The minimum of this is removing. No, no, this looks good to me. See, if A of I is less than previous, that means we have to remove definitely. Then only we can make an increasing sequence, right? This is the case where we have choice. We can remove or we can't. If we can't remove, then previous becomes okay. If we are removing, got it. If we are removing, then previous become previous, and if we are not removing, then previous become index. Yeah, this looks correct to me now. Why fucking zero? Why it is filling zero? I'm doing plus right here. No, no, this is not correct. If I reach, then see, yeah, this is not correct. If it is greater than n, then I'm getting fucking error. I'm not. Yes, bro, I want to get rid of this error now. See, this is a basic DP question. At each point, we have a choice, remove or not remove. That's it. That is what we have to simulate here. If index is greater than n, what that means? That means our sequence is this. And we remove return 0, right? Removing, when previous become previous, not removing. What the hell is going on here? Let me print DP. I think I'm not maintaining DP correctly then. Is it? DP of I stores the minus one. That's fine. That looks good to me. This I need to make an increasing sequence of page. Yeah. If this is less than equal to, then definitely I have to remove this. Okay. Okay. Index plus this. Wait a minute. Number of page can be zero? No, right? It can't be. So this is the case. I have two choice. I can remove. If I remove, my previous become previous. Previous is not changing, and I need to pay this cost. Okay. If I'm not removing, then I'm not paying extra cost, and my index is just become. Hi code guy. Thanks for subscribing, by the way. What we can do here? This is simple DP question. I don't know what fucking error I'm getting here. If I had wait, let's debug. That's the last ultimate weapon we have. Let's print this and we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are not getting fucking error. See, I had now we are not getting error, right? Bro, I'm struggling with easy questions. Easy question means for someone 500 level, 500 is also easy. For someone 1000 is five, 1500 is also easy. For someone 1000 is also easy. In which platform? Lit code easy or okay, lit code easy. That means you are not strong with the programming language, right? Because lit code easy question is just today's problem of the day. Let me look into it. See, lit code easy question means it is nothing. Like you don't have to think logically. There is no logic involved, right? Uh, that means you should good at some programming language. This is not easy. This is medium question, bro. Today's problem of the day. Today's problem of the day is not easy. It's a medium question. So easy question. If you are not able to solve easy question, that means you are still lagging the concept of programming language, whichever programming language you are using. Because easy question always require just to code what they it's okay. Let me see what's tomorrow. Can you tell me the name or question number? Okay, let me open here. Yeah, this is easy. I can understand. See, this is easy. You just need to convert this English to a coding language. That is, I don't know. This is hard or easy. This is the constraint is also low.
So the most probably brute force work here. And if you want, I can solve this for you. You are given two category of theme, park, attraction. Hi Ritvik. Message retract. What that mean? I don't know, bro. What's happened with your comment? Let's go to. Hi Ritvik. Hi. How are you? Why am I Gemini? Does my buds connected? I don't think so, right? Is my if my voice feels low, you can tell me. Hi Ritvik. Hi, yeah, I will solve this question. Don't worry. Okay, so let's solve this question. So you're given two categories of theme park attraction, land ride and water rides. Okay, so land ride. So land start time is this. The earliest time of the ith land can be boarded, okay? And how long? So it is telling there's two type of rides. Land ride for the ith land ride starts at this time and it will continue till this duration. I'm streaming a live stream. Oh, is it? Let me search. What's your channel name? The Code Guy. Code GUI guy. Yes, right? This
Duration.
damn. Damn, bro. Damn. Salute. Let me subscribe you. Bro, I subscribed your channel. So let me solve this question for you. Crazy rich. Yes, we are truly in 2026. See, the question is like we have two kind of rides, a land ride and a water ride. And for each ride, we have a start time and how long that ride will continue. Okay. That's it. A tourist must experience exactly one of the ride for each category in either order. A ride may be started at its opening time or any later moment. Okay. If a ride is started at time T, it finish at this. Okay. Immediately after finishing a ride, the tourist may board the other if it is already open or wait until it's open. Return the earliest possible time at which the tourist can finish both rides. My concern here is we'll see. So my concern here is, for example, say, some ride started at 2 and it continue for let's say 2 and continue for 3 extra minutes. It started at 2 and it finished at 5, right? And let's say something started at 3 and it finished at 7. So we take this ride or not? Like if we already in this ride and finish at 5 and this ride is already started at 3. So do we finish? Do we take this ride or not? So that is not cleared right now. So we'll see few test cases and we'll get back. Ritvik has question. Uh, my port forces rating is 1048. I started like 3 months back, still a newbie and currently second year finished. I am from NIT Warangal Chemical. Should I continue doing CP or bro? I will give you the motivation of your life. You are telling just 3 months, right? How long I am doing? Just see. It doesn't matter. 3 months is nothing. At least you are 1040. That's fine for you. This is my handle. My voice is low now. My buds. Oh fuck! I lost my buds charging. Wait a minute. See. I started 4 year ago. Still I am newbie, right? Still I am still I am able to crack questions. Code forcing is the competition. You can consider code. Don't rate yourself on the basis.
Code forces is like a sport. Thanks, Rich. Thanks. I think my voice is without buds. Oh, that's fine then. See, I'm not even a specialist, right? But I'm able to solve 1800 DP question sometime. I'm able to solve 1900 DP question. Code forces required a strong mathematical model thinking. Sometime it's a sport, right? This is a sport. Lead code is like a interview level question. AtCoder is also a sport, but I love AtCoder problem solving because it doesn't always ask a mathematical model question. Because I know I'm weak at the math, but that doesn't feel me necessary to learn maths problem because interview doesn't even revolve around maths question. So that's fine. Do not quit. And that's the only suggestion I can give you. Okay, so where we are here, a tourist must experience exactly one of the ride for each category in either order. And my question is, the doubt is this, right? If something started at 2 and finish at 5, and something started at 3 and finish at 7, and we already in this ride, so after finishing this ride, do we take this ride or not? So let's say this. It started at 2 and started at 8, okay, and started at 6, that's fine. Plan A, land ride 0, then water ride 0. Plan B, water ride 0 and land ride 1. Plan C, land ride 1, water ride 0. Plan D, water ride 0, land ride 0. Okay. So plan A give the earliest finish time. The concern here is we need to find the earliest finish time. We can take in any order, right? कहाँ से आया मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा मेरी स्ट्रगल देख. I will go, man. Have a great night. Gonna work on a project. Yeah, bro. Bye bye. Thanks for joining. Oh, still live, right?
I'm streaming a live
Stream.
so
Hi. Oh, you're solving using JavaScript. Great. I will go, man. Have a great night. Gonna work on a project. Yeah, bro.
this is
Bye bye.
something
Thanks for joining.
interesting.
Why am I getting this error?
Oh, still live, right? Cool, cool, cool. So I know this is a brute force question. Then what is a better way to do brute force? That is what I'm thinking right now. The simplest idea is we create an interval and that's it. Yeah. And we'll try each. Yeah. So my what we'll do is okay, good. It's not bad to do. JavaScript is actually crazy. At least C or some program, some JavaScript. I don't think so. Too useful for CP, right? We should learn C++, Python, or Java. Hmm. So what we'll do here is we'll create the interval, yeah, vector of, yeah, pair of. Oh, great! You have pushed. That's great, man. I'm new at development. Interval. Okay. we'll do here is we'll go through all the auto ampersand x over, no, x won't work here. N is equal to len start time. Okay, and I iterate less than n I plus plus. Right now, jobless for grinding DSA a bit if I land the interview. I don't want to from. That's fine, bro. It's not bad. At least you are trying, right? You're trying your best. You will get a good job. Don't worry. Just grind. Just grind. Don't get diverted. Don't get demotivated. Just grind. So what we'll do here is in interval, yeah, uh, interval dot push back start time and its duration. Okay, and similarly we'll do for, we have a different, right, or both size of both can be okay, okay, it's a different size. So this dot size, same thing we'll do for this, and water start time, water duration. My voice is, I feel my voice is low. No, it's fine, right? I should speak louder then. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll sort interval on the basis of start time interval dot begin comma interval dot end. Now for each ride we'll consider our starting ride. Let's say answer, we want minimum, so we'll initialize the answer with the maximum. Okay, now we'll do brute force here. Less than, let's say, the size of interval I plus plus. Okay, cool. So current time is 0, right? Yeah, and J. Wait a minute. What I'm doing here is, yeah, wait a minute. I'm thinking each I, for each, let's say in my interval, we can do two land ride simultaneously, right? Consecutive. Immediately after finishing one ride, tourist may board to the other if already open or waiting until it's open. Okay. Return the, that's fine. Wait a minute. Did I receive anything? No. So current is the ith ride. So my time is this. For int, j is equal to I plus 1. J is less than sz, j plus plus. Cool. If I'm, so my current time is equal to interval of I plus dot first plus interval dot I, interval of I dot second. Okay, cool. Here I will check if I'm able to take the jth ride. So what I will do here is I will take this interval of j dot first. Yeah, this should be greater than in, okay, and greater than equal to my current time So I'm able to, what I will do is my current time will be this plus this. Got it? And yes, and after finishing this, we'll do answer is equal to minimum of answer. Where is it? Hi, sorry if I didn't pronounce. Bro, $200. If I am helpless here, I am feeling helpless. I am feeling helpless now. What should I do? Okay, and we'll return answer. Fuck, fuck, fuck. It should be M here. Oh, you have running board also. So I'm getting wrong answer for the second test case. Why? I'm getting 8, but answer is 14. Why? We started at 5 and started at 1 and ended this. Okay. How 14? 5 and end at 3. Wait a minute. What? Start water right 0 and finish at this. Okay. Okay, I got it. So we can take actually. Yeah. Then this is nothing. Then say we don't even need this loop then. We don't even need this loop. So what we'll do here is answer is equal to 0 now. Now this is much simpler. So what we'll do here is if let me declare this current time here. Current time is initially 0. Yeah. If interval of I is greater than current time is initially 0, so don't get confused with this. This is just a comment. If this I can say current time will make current time is equal to this, and we'll do current time plus is equal to this. Just a second. SECOND second. I hope there's a better solution exists for this code also. And return current time. And we fucked it up at first question. Then what's going on here? Return the earliest possible time at which tourists can finish both rides. What's wrong with this then? we can write this in a better way also. Maximum of current time, comma. Hmm. Why? Started at 2 and take 4. Started at 8 and take 1. कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाऊँगा मुझे struggle देख we can do what's wrong here actually wait I will take this ride I will take second right let me debug I hope I am correct here no bro let me solve this is done and dusted current is 6 okay that means I took the first ride then wait current is 6 that means I took the first ride then I immediately took the second ride that means the water ride 6 plus that means 3 then 9 okay wait a minute we have exactly one of the ride for each category in either order so the current code is actually wait let me read the question we have to finish all the ride right earliest finish time for land ride and water ride one ride for each tourist must experience exactly one ride for each category in either order what the fuck oh my god, this is a super easy question. We just need to do two rides. And whichever is you don't even need this fucking code, this big fucking code. See, that's why to understand question carefully. This is easy, right? That is what I'm thinking. Why they required? We just need to do two rides. That's it. Fuck. Then brute force board the ride and take the minimum. Why fucking? Why I didn't read the question carefully. We just need to do two rides. That's it. Wait. Let's not do. This is nothing. Then let's remove this. Let's remove everything. Let's remove. I need N and M. Then I don't need anything else. Hmm. Okay. So we'll try brute force here. I is less than N. I plus plus. And J is equal to 0. J is less than M. J plus plus. Yeah. And let's declare the answer. Okay. We can use this also int max. Okay, but I don't know. It can be that's fine. So what we'll do here is we'll calculate two answer. Firstly we'll do ride A and it will take wait a minute I am getting video call again. Wait. Okay. Okay, so answer when is, let me first start right one and started at this and will continue for this many duration. Okay, and then answer 1 is equal to maximum of answer 1 comma, then I will start right 2. Okay, and then it will continue for this much duration, or I can take the right what this first. It's a j, it's the j. Okay, j plus, and will continue for it's a duration. Where is duration? Will continue for this much duration. Answer 2 is equal to max of answer 2 comma this, and it will continue for this duration, right? And my answer is equal to minimum of all of them, and will return our answer. I hope I understand question correctly now. See, fucking question. This is the fucking question. I misread the question and don't tell me. I got accepted. Say, bro, say. I told you, right? Just need to understand question carefully. That's it. I told you, right? Let me comment. Done. You think I'm dumb? I'm just joking, right? Don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. No, bro. You are not dumb. No one is dumb here. If you are trying, that means you are not dumb. The one you are sleeping, they are dumb. They are also not dumb. They are smart. That's why they don't even need practice. We need practice, right? I hope today I won't reach my target. Oh, why? I set the target too high. I don't know why I set a target this high. I want to solve the DP question actually. This is the main concern. What the fucking error here? What the fucking error here? See, if we reach at this point, that means we don't need our extra. But why I'm getting 0? That is not, that is big concern here. Let me put the output answer also. Wow, wow, wow. Wait, I'm adding this, right? Oh, this is giving 0 maybe. That's the concern here. Then, okay, okay. I got it, got it. Let me declare cost. And let me pass the cost also. I got it, got it. cost. I will return the cost. Here it should be cost plus this, cost plus this. Wait, this is a cost. I don't need to add this here. I don't need to add this here. I just need to do plus, plus. Need to pass the cost here. Need to pass the cost here. Cost. This is fine, right? Still I'm getting 0. What the fuck? Cost is 0. Okay. Let's not do this here. Say 118 here. And let's do here plus C of I. And let's not do this here. And let's do plus C of index. Yeah. Uh, 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 uh. मांगा जो मैंने 42 is a answer. But why 42? Why 42? Removing the previous become previous. I'm not removing that previous become my index. Okay. This should be greater than n. Yeah, I'm not processing the last element. Index is 7 and dp is n plus 2 here. Ah, no, wait. Why this is out of index? Wait. Yes, we need. Yes, we need index plus 1 is an equal to n. And we don't even need this fucking thing. Let it keep. If index plus 1 is less than equal to n, let me keep this thing. I know this is a bad code, but I need fucking reason why it is getting. Index is equal to 7. Ah, my god, got it. Pass the n also. This is the reason. How dumb I am. Now I'm realized. Okay, pass the n here. and here and here and here and here. मेरे struggle देख. This is fine, but 12 is not at all acceptable. 1, 2, 5, right? Yeah, it is calculating 5. How come 12 is your answer? Wait a minute. For first index, it's a 12. How? It should be 0, right? This is 1 and this is 0. I guess I messed up something. I think I need to take rest now. So this is all about today's stream. Bye bye guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks. Good bro. I mean like the stream. So let me end my stream, man.